So water tank 2.47 times 1047 drops of water. So this is a lot. And 7, what? So let L be the average number of microorganisms per drop. So find L. So I need to take this divided by this, which we can actually use a calculator to do this. Okay, it's not that difficult. And you can actually use a calculator, but just write your answers in standard form. So it's 7 times 10 to the power 9 divided by 2.47 times 10 to the power 7. Okay, so this divided by this, we get 2.83 times 10 to the power 2. Okay, next. It's calculator question, so not that bad. Okay, after 195 countries of the world, Ryan visited 21%. What is this? 20 over 195 times 100. So it's about, according to the answer, it's about 10.3%. Okay. Okay, all prices are reduced by 22.5. The price of a waterproof headphone is 139. So that means this is reduced by 22.5. We take 139.5 divided by 77.5, then times 100. Okay, so this will give you $180. Okay, all these are made easy by calculators. Okay, if you have a calculator, it's really easy to solve them. Okay, and there's no reason to get all this wrong. All this must be like super accurate as of now. Okay, next, show that this weird thing is divisible by 5 for all positive integer values. Okay, so I guess we need to expand. So 3 to the power 3x indices, yeah. So just expand this thing or okay, or change all to base 3. Plus 2 means times. So wait, no mind. Plus 2 minus 9 is 3 squared. So 3 squared, 9 is 3 squared. So 3 squared times 3 over 2 becomes 3 to the power x. And then 27 is 3 cubed. So plus 3 cubed. 3 cubed times x plus 3. Okay. So this from here we can extract all the 3x, 3 to the power 3x. All the 3 to the power 3x can be extracted. So take out 3 to the power 3x. Now if you take out 3 to the power x here, you're left with 3 squared minus 1, okay, plus 3 cubed. Because these are times, 3x times 3 squared. So I take out 3x left with this. Then 3x, 3 squared 9, 9 minus 1 plus this number, which is 27. So 8, 27. Plus 3 squared, 27. So 9 minus 1, 8. 8 plus 27, 35. 35. Okay, now once you reach here, you can then deduce that this number is divisible by 5 because this number is a multiple of 5. Okay, so just say that 35 is a multiple of 5. Right, 35 is a multiple of 5, hence it can be divisible by 5. Next one. Okay. Okay, so if you are not telling me to stop, I just keep going. Okay. Unless of course you have any question, then you ask me to stop. If not, I'm just going to keep going because I like to do math. Just kidding. Next, the highest common factor and lowest LCM of three numbers are 1, 2, and 2, 3, 7, 6. So HCF 12 is 2 squared times 3. Okay. Then LCM. Oh, there are 3 numbers. Okay. 2, 3. Wow, 2, 3, 7, 6. Okay. Let's calculator. 2, 3, 7, 6. You got the 2 cube. 3 cube. Right. So remember HCF is the lowest power. And then LCM is the highest power. So let's say I have 3 numbers. If 2 of the numbers are okay, luckily they gave you 2. I thought we had to figure out ourselves. So we have 108. So there's a lot of this a prime factorization to do, which you can just use your calculator. So 108 is 2 squared times 3 cubed. And then 72 is 2 cubed. 2 cubed times 3 squared. So what you want to do is find the smallest possible integer value of the third number. So my third number, let's call it x. I need to compare this, okay? So you see the lowest is here, the highest is here. Both of them have provided the numbers already. I don't need any number here. Next one, wait, HCF here. So the LCM highest HCF. So this is a 2 square. Right, there has to be a 2 square because the 2 square is the lowest that is common in all 3. Okay, next we have a 3 and a 3 cube. So this must be a 3. Okay, last there's an 11. You see the 11 is not in 1072. So there must be an 11 here as well. Hence, if you multiply out everything, you get what is it? 132. 132. Okay, you understand the logic? I guess should be fine. Next. Express 6, 4, 6, 8 as a product of its prime factor. So use your calculator. By now, you should be using calculators. You don't really have to do the ladder method, okay? Just press the calculator. So 2 squared times 3 times 7 squared times 11. That's it. Next one. Find the smallest integer such that this is a square root. So for square root to happen, all the power has to be, this is power 1, this is power 1. All the power has to be even numbers. Okay, which means I'm going to need another 3, another 11, hence k equals to 33. Next one. Okay. 6 men take 4 hours to dig a trench 6 meters deep. How long will it take 10 men to dig a trench 5 meters deep? I really like this type of question. It's like a ratio. Okay, number of men 6 times 4. Okay, and the trench depth. Let's call it depth. 6 meters. So one man will, let's say it's 6 meters, right? One man will take 6 times. That's 24 hours to dig 6 meter. All right, one man will take, let's say if it's only 1 meter, so I divide by 4 to dig 1 meter because I divide by 6. So I divide by 6 here. All right, so the time taken is 4 hours. Okay, now I have 10 men to dig a trench 5 meter. Okay, let's see 5 meter. If this is 5 meters, I will need 20 hours. So now instead of 1, I have 10. So I times 10. So here divide by 10, so 2. Alright, how long will it take? The time is 2. Yeah, you're correct. Next.
Wait.
Ooh.
Can you explain that again?
This one? This whole thing?
Yeah.
Sure. It's my pleasure, you know. It's my job. Okay, this M stands for number of men. T stands for type. D is how deep. So this given 6 men, 4 hours, 6 meter deep. So this is given. So this type of question, right? There are 3 variables. You need to know the relationship between each one of them. Okay, for example, you see here from 4, okay, from 6, I reduce to 1. If I reduce the number of men, the time will increase because it's inverse. Less people means more time. So if I divide here by 6, see here I divide by 6, this guy must times 6. Okay, because it's inverse. Now, why am I doing this? Because I want to reach the destination of 10 and 5 meters. So I go all the way to 1. Next, once I got 1 man, I also want 1 meter. So here divide by 6. Now, what's the relationship between the depth of the trench versus the time? They are directly proportional. What does it mean? That means if the depth is reduced, the number of hours also reduced. Okay, so these two directly proportional, these two inversely proportional. So here divide by 6. Right, so I like these numbers here because this is like my base. Okay, 1 man will take 4 hours to dig 1 meter. And then after that, I increase here to 5, so times 5. Here also times 5. And then after that, I times 10 here. Now, because it's an inverse relationship between number of men and time, here divide by 10. You can see the complex thinking behind this simple table of numbers. Actually, it's not complex. It's just math mixed with some English to create a problem sum that looks complex. It's like rojak. It's just a plate of fruits. It looks so complicated. Next, is it okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so it's given that y varies directly as the square root of x. So the first thing is to be able to come with a formula y equals to k square root x. So given that y equals 24, now this is a simple variant. No, sorry, I spoke too soon. It's increased by 300%. Hate it. So y equal to 24 for particular value of x. So 24 equals to k square root x. Find the value of y when x is increased by 300%. So now I'm going to increase my x by 300%. Now, if I increase by 300%, what is the new x? You see, the old one is x, right? If I increase by 300%, how many x are there? So this is a question that a lot of people stomp. Is it stump or stomp? Stump. Is it stump? Stump or stomp? Means they're stuck. I think it's stump. What is the new number of x if you increase by 300%? Let's ask Yuki because she's having dinner, I suppose. She's so quiet.
What?
Are you having dinner?
No.
Okay, so can you tell us what is the new x after increase by 300%?
I don't know. I just replace x with 300%.
How?
Just replace it lah.
What do you write? What do you write inside the square root?
Square root 300%.
Like that.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Wrong. Okay. Okay. So this is not replaced by 300, it's increased by 300%. Increased by 300%. Let's say you earn $1,000 a month. Your this employer increase your pay by 100%. you earn 2,000, correct? Because this is the 100%. Got it? You increase by 100% become 2,000. So if you increase by 300%,
3x.
yeah, 3K, right? So your new pay is now, is it 3K? Is it 3K? Your original pay, this is 100%. Increased by 300%, is your pay still 3K? People, is it 3K?
Yes.
Yes. How about you, Kim?
No.
What should it be?
4K.
4.
Yeah, it should be 4.
Oh.
Okay, right. So can you imagine your boss, next time your boss say, oh, Hashini, you've done a great job. I'm gonna increase your pay by 100%. Yeah, I'm gonna increase your pay by 100%. Then you, yeah, your pay is now 1K. Are you happy?
Oh, okay.
Your face like that. Okay. Then you're like, boss, my maths I got A1. No. Last time my teacher said, if I increase by 100%, I should be getting 2K. No. I shouldn't be getting 1K. Right? So now change situation. The guy increased by 300%. And then the boss said, you see, I'm going to give you 3K. You see, 300% what? 3 times what? 3 times increased by 300%. So become 3. Then if you say, oh, thank you very much, that means you're really max fail already. Okay, you cannot earn more. You're gonna miss out on additional $1,000. You should be getting 4K. Alright, so using the same idea, we come back to here. So now my new x is not 3x, it's 4x. So I'm gonna call it the new thing, k square root 4x. Now k square root 4x is the same as square root 4 times square root x. Okay, which I can take out the square root 4 to get a value of 2k square root x. And remember from the old number, this one, k square root x is 24. So this box here should become 24. It's equals to 2 times of 24. Hence the answer is 48. 2 marks. A little tedious, but it's fine. Next.
Wait,
Yeah,
I haven't finished.
wow. Okay, I need to decrease my volume. Give me a shock. I'm not wearing the headphone, huh? Okay, copy. So a map has a scale of 1:30,000, right? The length of a rectangular park is 8 centimeter on the map. What the actual length in kilometer? Wait, on the code. Right, so now this is, we need to know the conversion. So 1 km equals to 100,000 cm. Okay, so if I have 30,000, I immediately know this is 0.3 km. 0.3. Okay, so if it is 8, 1 is to 0.3 km, right? And then if this is 8, to find this, we just take this divided by this times this, which in this case is 8 times 0.3. So 8 times 0.3 will become 2.4 kilometer. Right, so this is 2.4. Next. So now the area of the park is 4.5 km square. Find the breadth of the park on the map. Now I need to change this to area scale. So 1 is to 0.3. is the linear scale. So 1 is to 0.3 is, we call it the linear. And I need to change it to area. So it's 1 is to 0.3 times 0.3 is 0.09. km squared, right? So this is the area scale. And we are told the actual is 4.5. So 4.5 km squared here. Right, what will it be? This one. So this divided by this times this. So 4.5 divided by 0.09, we get 50. Okay. So the area is 50 cm squared. But they want the breadth of the part. What? How to find the breadth? Oh, the length is 8, okay? So now if the area is 50, to find the breadth, you take 50 divided by 8. Okay, I didn't see that info at first. So 50 divided by 8 is 6.25. Next. Convert 9 km per hour into meter per second. We write 9 km, the 9 km is on top, 1 hour at the bottom. Change to, now 9 km is 9,000 meters. Okay, 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. And let your calculator do the magic. 9,000 divided this 2.5. A car uses 17.25 travel this distance 60. So this divided by this, wait, 17.25, 250. So 160. Yeah, this divided by this times equals to 60 divided by 17.25. Wait, this, yeah, times this, you get 870. Okay, round off is 870. Actual number is about 869.6. Okay, next one. So not too difficult, right? I don't want to use the word easy. Why? I don't want to use the word easy, okay? Next. So express as a single fraction in its simplest form. So do the factorization. What? Did you just draw a fly? Serious, the thing keeps flying in front of my face, okay? I was trying to smack that little fly. It's called retribution, right? Talk bad about other people, lah. See lah. Right? 1 over 18x squared minus 2 to 9x squared minus 1 plus 2 over 3x minus 1. Okay, so here I can factorize again. 2, 3x minus 1, 3x plus 1, right? Then plus 2 over 3x minus 1 equals to. Now here you have you need to add a 3x plus 1 and a 2. Okay, to this fella here. To combine it, you must multiply 3x plus 1 and then another 2. 2. So times 2. 3x plus 1, and running out of space already. Continue here on top. So combine the top. 1 plus 4 times of 3x plus 1 . Okay, so 12x plus 5. Wow, tedious. I'm clicking with a mouse, right? How many times I have to click writing this? Okay, next. Factorize. What's this? What is this? Okay, by grouping. So we do grouping. 2 by 2. Okay. Okay, see that. Ladies and gentlemen, I got the fly. He's right here. Oh my god, you want to look at it? It's not just a fly, it's like a mosquito. Wait, I'm so glad I recorded this. Later I'm gonna see if I can do a slow-mo or something. I smacked it right in front of the camera, okay? Look at that. Can you see? It's disgusting. It's freaking fly. Can you see how fast my reflex was? While I was doing math, right? So I can multitask, you know? I can solve factorization and sort fly. And all recorded on camera, so. Okay, 4a squared b plus 4a squared minus b. Okay, this one a bit tough. 4a squared b plus 4a squared. 4a squared minus b. Okay, let's say I take out 4a squared from the first two. I got b plus 1. Oh, can already. Take out minus 1, so left b plus 1. Okay. Then here take out b plus 1, b plus 1. 4a squared minus 1. So this is equal to 2a minus 1, 2a plus 1. Okay? Yes, final answer. I must be the first person to do math and kill a fly. All recorded on camera. Given that f equals 3g, express x in terms of f and g. So I want x, okay? So go there, f go there. So 2x cubed equals to 3g minus f over 2. Then do cube root. There you go, cube, right? Cube root 3g minus f over 2. Okay, final answer. You did until 11, right? So I go 11, okay? Frankly speaking, easy or not? 6x squared minus x minus 20. Let's factorize. So this is you do the factorization. X squared minus 20. So this becomes 3x. Okay. So 3x plus 4 times 2x take away 5. Okay, next. Hence solve this. So we gotta use this 6x squared, which is, so let x equal to y minus 1. Because 6x, so x equal y minus 1. Minus 7 yeah, equals to, let's say x equals to 1 minus 1. So we know y minus 1 is the same as this thing equals 0, this thing equals 0. So 3x plus 4 equals 0. 3y minus 1. Okay, this is one equation. Or the other one would be 2x minus 5. Take away 5 equals to 0. So 2y minus 2 minus 5. 2y equals to minus 7. 7. 3.5. Okay, or right, 3y minus 3 plus 4, 0. 3y equals to 1, negative 1, y equals to negative 1/3. That.